magical puppy. He's the puppy for you. He wears a magical collar to make his wishes come true. Merlin, Merlin, won't you come out to play? Merlin, Merlin, you're only a wish away. Merlin, the magical puppy, he's the puppy for you. He wears a magical collar to make all his wishes come true.
It's a hot, sunny day in Sandy Bay Harbour, so most people have decided to have a rest. But Ernie, the harbour master, has decided to paint his boat, the Salty Sea Dog, before the tide comes in. Before he can do any painting, Ernie has to get a new paintbrush. We're nearly there, Merlin. Are you all right?
Yes, yes. I love going out for a drive. Beep, beep.
Now you just wait here, Merlin. I won't be long.
Oh, there's no hurry. I could do with a rest.
Hello, Ernie, says Albert. Morning. I haven't seen you for a while. How are things down at Sandy Bay Harbour? Very good, thank you. I'm off to buy a small paintbrush. The Salty Sea Dog's getting a touch-up. You'll have to come and see it when it's done. Oh, what a lovely thing to be doing on a lovely sunny day like this. I think I'll take you up on that, Ernie.
Ooh, I can smell sausages. Ooh, super scrummy, delicious sausages. I think I better go and find out where they are.
Right, we can go now, Merlin.
But I want to find those sausages.
We're nearly back at Sandy Bay Harbour, Merlin. Are you all right?
No, I'm not. I can't smell those sausages anymore.
Now, you go and wait by your kennel, Merlin, while I get to work.
Hello, Ernie.
Miss Parkway says.
How are you today?
I'm very well, thank you, and getting ready to paint my boat.
Oh, talking of boats, Mr. Crabtree is taking Kizzy and I out for a boat ride around the bay this afternoon. What are you doing today, Merlin?
Kizzy barks.
Nothing exciting.
Merlin replies sadly.
I'd much rather be going out for a boat ride.
Well, you've certainly picked a lovely day for it. Have fun.
We will, Ernie. Try not to work too hard. Bye, Merlin.
Ooh, I'm a bit bored, Gull.
How can you be bored on such a lovely day as this?
I just am. I'm bored, bored, bored.
And I'm going for a boat ride with Kizzy, Reg the Hedge says. I'm going to fly out around the bay. What are you doing today?
That's just the point.
Merlin barks.
I'm not doing anything. I want to go for a boat ride. In fact, I shall use my magic collar to go on a boat ride just like Kizzy and Reg.
Merlin knows his collar is magic, but he can never remember how it works. He tries closing his eyes and concentrating very hard.
Take me on a boat ride with my friends.
But nothing happens.
I want to be on a boat ride with my friends now.
But still nothing happens.
Maybe if I chase my tail. I want to go on a boat ride with my friends now. Oh, I'm all dizzy now. My collar hasn't worked. Ooh. This collar is useless. Why won't my collar work? Oh, I wish I could go on a boat ride with my friends.
As soon as Merlin says the magic wish word, he finds himself surrounded by water on the salty sea dog.
That's more like it! Set a course for the island of sausages, Mr. Ernie.
Aye, aye, Captain Merlin.
Seaman Pickles, have you seen my friends Kizzy and Reg?
Oh, yes. I believe Kizzy has gone below deck and Reg is hiding behind the wheelhouse.
Oh, why is Reg hiding?
He's feeling seasick, Captain.
Seasick?
Yes, sir.
Well, in that case, I better go and find him. And Kizzy.
Good idea, Captain Merlin.
Reg, where are you?
Make it stop.
Eh?
To see. Make it stop going up and down all the time.
Why? I like it when it goes up and down.
Uh-oh. I don't feel very well.
Hello, Merlin.
Are you feeling all right, Kizzy?
No, not really. All this going up and down is starting to make me feel sick.
Oh, dear.
Island ahoy, Captain! We've arrived at the island of sausages, Captain Merlin.
Good. Well, let's go and explore.
Where are we?
We're on the island of sausages. Can't you smell them?
Oh, please. Don't talk about food. I was just starting to feel better.
So, where are these sausages then, Merlin?
Well, let's see. I expect there are lots and lots of yummy sausages just waiting to be eaten somewhere. That's strange.
Merlin?
There must be sausages around here somewhere. I can smell them, but I can't see them. Now, where can those sausages be?
Merlin?
Huh? What?
I think I've just found out where all the sausages are.
Where? Wowee! Sausages! Lots and lots of them! Oh, yes. This is just perfect!
Oh, it's raining sausages.
Come on, Kizzy, help yourself!
No thanks, Merlin. I still feel a bit seasick.
What is that awful noise?
It's Merlin. He's found the sausages.
Oh, I do wish you wouldn't all keep talking about food.
Be careful, Merlin. You don't want to eat too many, or you'll make yourself feel
Ooh, I don't feel very well.
ill.
I think I've eaten too many sausages.
Well, it's your own fault for being so greedy.
Oh, I wish I'd never come to the island of sausages.
As soon as Merlin says the magic wish word,
Phew, back home.
sorry, Merlin. I know you've been stuck here all day while I've been painting, but I've got a special treat for you.
Oh, goody.
A nice plate of sausages. Your favourite.
Oh, no, thank you. I think I've had quite enough sausages for one day.